The ocean covers more than 70% of Earth's surface, making it the planet's largest habitat. With a volume of around 1.332 billion cubic kilometers, the ocean holds most of Earth's water. The Pacific Ocean is the largest, covering over 63 million square miles. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean, followed by the Indian and Southern Oceans. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest of all oceans. The average depth of the ocean is about 12,080 feet, 3,682 meters. The deepest part of the ocean is the Mariana Trench, which plunges about 36,000 feet, 10,994 meters, below sea level. More than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored and unmapped. The ocean contains approximately 97% of Earth's water supply. The ocean's currents regulate climate by distributing heat around the globe. The Gulf Stream in the Atlantic is one of the strongest ocean currents, influencing weather patterns in Europe and North America. The ocean produces over 50% of the world's oxygen, mainly through marine plants like phytoplankton. The ocean absorbs about 25% of human-produced carbon dioxide emissions. The ocean's average temperature is about 39 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system in the world, stretching over 1,400 miles. Oceans support a rich diversity of life, with estimates suggesting that 91% of ocean species are yet to be discovered. The ocean floor is home to mountain ranges, valleys, and volcanic activity. The longest mountain range on Earth is the Mid-Ocean Ridge, running over 40,000 miles. The ocean is divided into 5 major zones: sunlight zone, twilight zone, midnight zone, abyss, and trenches. The ocean's pressure increases by 1 atmosphere for every 33 feet of depth. Blue whales, the largest animals on Earth, can weigh up to 200 tons and live in the ocean. The ocean is home to more than 230,000 known species, but many more remain undiscovered. The ocean plays a crucial role in Earth's water cycle, contributing to the majority of evaporation and precipitation. Over 50% of the world's population lives within 60 miles of the coast, relying on the ocean for food, transport, and economy. The ocean is home to the world's largest migration, where trillions of marine animals travel from deep to shallow waters each day. The ocean floor has more artifacts than all the world's museums combined. Seagrass meadows in the ocean are vital for sequestering carbon and supporting marine life. The Sargasso Sea in the Atlantic is unique because it is surrounded by ocean currents rather than land. Hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor host unique ecosystems, with organisms thriving in extreme conditions. The ocean's salt comes from dissolved minerals, primarily sodium chloride, washed from rocks. The Dead Sea is technically a hypersaline lake, but its salinity makes it one of the saltiest bodies of water, denser than most of the ocean. Ocean tides are caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. The ocean moderates the Earth's temperature by storing and distributing solar energy. The Atlantic Ocean is growing by about an inch each year, while the Pacific Ocean is shrinking. The ocean floor contains valuable minerals such as gold, silver, and rare earth elements. Some areas of the ocean are more acidic due to increasing levels of carbon dioxide, a phenomenon known as ocean acidification. The ocean is home to the largest living structure on Earth, the Great Barrier Reef. More than 8 million metric tons of plastic end up in the ocean each year. The ocean's plastic pollution is harming marine life, with over 700 species affected. Jellyfish have been living in the ocean for over 500 million years, longer than dinosaurs. The ocean's waves can travel across entire basins, driven by wind, tides, and underwater earthquakes. The ocean influences weather patterns, including hurricanes, typhoons, and monsoons. There are more historic shipwrecks on the ocean floor than there are aircraft in the sky. The ocean provides a critical food source for over 3 billion people worldwide. The ocean has underwater rivers, such as the Cenote Angelita in Mexico, formed by differences in salinity. The ocean's deepest known fish, the Mariana snailfish, was discovered at depths of over 26,000 feet. The ocean helps regulate the Earth's carbon cycle by absorbing and storing carbon. The ocean contains underwater volcanoes, with over 80% of volcanic activity occurring beneath the sea. The ocean is a source of renewable energy, such as tidal and wave energy. Scientists believe the ocean may hold cures for diseases through its biodiversity. The ocean floor is mapped using sonar, but much of it remains uncharted. The ocean covers the world's longest trench, the Mariana Trench, which is deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Mangroves and coral reefs protect coastlines by acting as natural barriers against storms. The ocean is vital for trade and transport, with over 90% of global goods transported by sea. In the twilight zone of the ocean, light begins to fade, and unique species like the giant squid thrive. The ocean's midnight zone is completely dark and home to strange creatures like anglerfish. The ocean contains bioluminescent organisms, which create light through chemical reactions. The ocean's water temperature varies from freezing at the poles to tropical warmth near the equator. The ocean is home to massive blue whales, the largest animals ever to have lived on Earth. Some fish in the ocean, such as clownfish, can change their sex as part of their life cycle. The ocean is also home to sharks, which have existed for over 400 million years. Some of the ocean's creatures, like the sea turtle, can travel thousands of miles in their lifetime. The ocean absorbs over 90% of the excess heat caused by climate change. The ocean's soundscapes are used by marine animals like whales and dolphins to communicate. Seamounts, or underwater mountains, create hotspots of marine biodiversity in the ocean. The ocean produces life-sustaining chemicals like oxygen and regulates the Earth's climate. The ocean is essential for recreational activities, including scuba diving, snorkeling, and surfing. The ocean floor is home to coral reefs, which support over 25% of marine species. The ocean's kelp forests provide habitats for thousands of marine organisms. Tsunamis are massive waves generated by underwater earthquakes or volcanic eruptions in the ocean. The ocean is a natural carbon sink, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. The ocean is also a key player in the Earth's water cycle, contributing to evaporation and precipitation. Coral bleaching in the ocean is a result of rising water temperatures and threatens marine ecosystems. Deep-sea trenches in the ocean remain some of the least explored places on Earth. Scientists are discovering new species in the ocean with each deep-sea exploration mission. The ocean's tides create intertidal zones, home to unique and resilient creatures like starfish. The ocean is filled with mysteries, including shipwrecks, lost cities, and undiscovered species. Octopuses are some of the most intelligent creatures in the ocean, known for problem-solving abilities. The ocean has underwater lakes of dense, salty water called brine pools. The ocean supports a range of habitats, from coral reefs to deep-sea hydrothermal vents. The ocean has its own seasons, influenced by temperature, currents, and marine life cycles. The ocean holds secrets of Earth's geological past, preserved in layers of sediment on the seafloor. Exploring the ocean helps scientists understand Earth's climate and biodiversity. The ocean offers clues to the possibility of life on other planets through its extreme environments. Sea otters in the ocean use tools, such as rocks, to open shellfish for food. The ocean is vital for human health, providing resources for food, medicine, and energy. The ocean is a treasure trove of biological diversity, with new species being discovered regularly.